Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining us with all the latest details on this bit of information that is coming in of the Delhi Congress delegation also going to meet the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung in a short while from now. Pankaj, pressure certainly building on Arvind Kejriwal. Is the Delhi Congress delegation likely to raise the specific issue of Somnath Bharti?
Maha, even as we talk, if I may ask my camera person to pan you a bit, some of the members of the Congress party in fact have started coming in here. One of the ex-MLAs, Mr. Mukesh Sharma, was here. In fact, some more people are coming in now, and they are of the opinion that they are for sure going to raise the matter of Somnath Bharti and the high-handedness of the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Now, just few moments back, even as you see in your pictures, we'll try and find out who all from the Congress party are trying to come in here. But even as you see the pictures of these cars moving inside with the Congress delegation, it has become amply clear now, Maha, that the issue of Somnath Bharti will gain importance over other measures. Mind you, since the morning hours, we have been trying to get in touch with the AAP leaders, and they were of the clear view that this was a normal beating. But then the meeting of Aam Aadmi Party with the LG and other parties coinciding in this very day is a clear indication that perhaps the issue of Somnath Bharti has gained or has become important than other measures as well. Our sources say that this is a clear conspiracy of both the BJP and the Congress. Both want to see the downfall of the Aam Aadmi Party, and AAP sources say that the BJP, to be very precise, wants that AAP should go down with its own incapabilities, and that's precisely the reason why they are trying their level best to portray this party in a negative fashion. But then, yes, as you rightly pointed out, pressure is mounting by the hour on Arvind Kejriwal. It remains to be seen for how long, after all, this liability of the Aam Aadmi Party, Somnath Bharti, will continue to get support from Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, clearly, as Pankaj is pointing out there, Somnath Bharti has indeed become a liability for the Aam Aadmi Party. A decision on him will be something that will be crucial for the existence of the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi. Many thanks, Pankaj, for joining us with the latest details.